you guys want.
You guys wait right on the top.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You think opening
Okay, don't look, guys.
Benny.
Don't look, and guys, don't say
Don't
anything.
talk to
Don't say anything. Okay? Be really, don't look and don't peek. Okay?
or don't pee.
This is an early Christmas present.
Hey, ready?
Yeah.
Come over here and
That's
open
what it
it.
is.
What?
Come over and open it.
Christmas present. Come over and open it.
Oh, really? What is? It's the favorite puppy.
We got one.
Your present?
Yes, you bet.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is the best thing ever.
Until you get a week.
Yeah, we have to take it back after Christmas.
Yeah, until you go, oh, well, someone's making a friend early.
This is awesome.
Remember when we looked at those puppies?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Here we
I
go.
like the tree.
Jesse, Ben, look at that.
You guys can pet it if you want. Jesse's Ben.
That is a golden.
We went to South
Yeah.
So they have the longer hair, and because the lab has the tight hair, right?
Right.
So
Yeah.
Oh,
Be done with it, guys.
Yeah. Well, Michelle's gonna need to see that here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.